We've been talking about time and some general conceptions of time. Let's talk about space. And space and place, so to speak. One of the things we've developed for this course is something called China XMap, which those participating in the course will be able to use. We'll be able to see it online, as you can see it here, and we're going to offer you a very brief tutorial to it.
Right.
The maps that we use in the course can be found there, can be used, and you can overlay them one with the other. It's sort of using what's called geographic information system technology in a very new way. This is actually the first time that this has been done in any course, as far as I know. It's going to be very exciting. We want to, and we're actually going to leave you from our conversation at this moment so we can give you sort of a series of maps and discussions about the landscape of China, the rivers, the plains and plateaus, the physiographic differences between north and south, the cropping patterns, the dry north versus the wet south, but also with the man-made landscape. And I know one of the things that you said to me was you wanted to be sure that people learned the provinces of modern China.
Well, this is something that we do in every class that we've taught. We say that there are no prerequisites to this class. There actually is one. You have to know where China is, and indeed you need to know the different parts of China.
Right.
To memorize, you have to do it at some point, the names of the provinces and the major cities. We force our students in the classroom to know all the provinces, all the major cities, and to be able to draw in the river systems because it matters.
It does
These
matter.
are different
It does
places.
Yeah.
Just as if you're going to study American history and you have no idea where the Mississippi River is,
And
or
we need we need to pay attention too to the routes that sort of connect China overland through
Right.
Central Asia, the Silk Roads,
Right.
but also the great sea routes that connect China to Japan, Korea, to Southeast Asia, to India as well. In any case, we have a nifty way of learning the names of provinces that combines the...
You have another song?
I don't have a song,
Oh.
but I have, well, you'll see. It involves knowing the fact that the Chinese name for mountain, river, and lake.
That's right.
And
Of course.
the four directions, northeast, south, and west in Chinese.
If you know those, you'll get most of the provinces, and then you'll get some other ones. Knowing a few Chinese words, to know that Yunnan means south of the clouds. It's so far south, it's south of the clouds.
Right.
Xizang as Western Storehouse.
Western Storehouse.
Western
right.
Storehouse.
Storehouse.
These names make a lot more sense in Chinese than, of course, than Connecticut does in English, although it means long river, if I recall, in Pequot.
Well, in Beijing, for example, which we use all the time now, actually it simply means northern capital.
Yes.
You'll see this in a moment, and after that we'll come back and we'll resume our discussion with the last big topic we want to talk about, which is identity.